What? James.
Sige na. Kain.
Welcome to James. The James TV channel. Oh.
Please subscribe.
What are you eating, James?
Tell them what you are eating. I'm eating.
I just crunch the eyes.
The ice in your mouth.
Yeah, I just crunch that icing.
Yeah.
That's ketchup.
Yeah, iusog mo lahat para si Kuya ayaw mo lang.
Tatapos ako.
Ay, naku na. It's sour? Ay, dito po. Kinarin. It's yummy. What can you say to your food? What do you think? Ano daw? It's yummy?
What are those?
Chicken nuggets. Kuya Ethan. Oh, Kuya Ethan.
Kuya, tayo subscribe. Ay, nag-subscribe na pala si Kuya.
Nakalive yan?
Hindi. Pang ano to, pang YouTube channel. Ibo voice over ko na lang.
I-edit mo to pa.
Siyempre.
Hindi po kang. You want juice?
My juice be settled. Did my juice be settled? And
Sana
that's
dyan
how
nakaano
you
yung
how you
camera ng papa.
wait for this.
Ate, yung tinapay po. Oh. Ito po, dalawa. Ano?
KFC. Boy Fish. Bakit?
Tinatanong ni Ate. Video mo siya, nasa mall, nakaganito.
Here, this way.
Ay, be careful. Up. Ay. Okay lang
Go.
Elevated. Baka po kasi madulas siya. You go.
Ah, you're scared?
You're scared? Na?
Go.
Yan.
Oh, careful. This way, James. This way. Go.
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 Go. Ang baka na siya. Tulas.
Careful. No. Don't do that, James. Don't do that. It's not allowed. Careful. Go. This way. Oh, sarap. Brave boy. Brave boy.
Oh, yupo na siya, no?
Oh, my booty hurts.
You get hurt or you okay?
I think I got that in the video, James.
Your
Okay.
even is wounded? Oh no! Oh, again. Oh, you're wounded.
Hurts? Your bullet hurts? That's okay. You're a brave boy.
Isang araw po yan, last week po yata. Buhat-buhat po siya natin ko po natutulog. Ayok po siya gisingin. Nadulas po kami dalawa. Bakit? Sabi ko, James, wake up, mami, ka next time. Wag na, mami. Sabi niya. Sabi niya, you got hurt, mami. Sabi niya, we're going home na.
Yes, I'm already gonna walk.
No, we will walk right now.
No, I don't.
Why do you do that? It's hot. It's very hot.
No, my son.
Huwag na maglakad. Kasi nakakaano siya. Ayaw niya nakaupo na yun.
No, my son.
Para ayaw mo po. Sa mga bisita. Oh, siya kayo po. Sandali, babe. Sandali, ano ko muna. No, I don't get you.
Lalaro siya. Play.
Look, I'm gonna fly to the maze. I want. That means we need to sweep it away. That means we need to sweep it No, it's away. No, we need to sweep. What are you doing?
I'm vlogging. You should say hi to your subscribers. What?
Hi. Hi.
Hi subscribers. Like and subscribe.
Hi, like and subscribe.